Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials and taking action right away. First, record 3 recent matches so you can spot recurring errors. This informs practice. Once done, set a realistic goal, say plus 50 mmr or 1 rank in 30 days to guide focus. Next, make sure your technical baseline is solid. Cap FPS to stable target, reduce input lag, and lock a consistent 60 ms or better connection. These steps stop external issues from sabotaging improvement and get you into consistent, trainable conditions. You now move into deliberate practice and match-level decision work. Drill 2 core mechanics for 20 minutes daily to build muscle memory, then immediately apply them in casual or low-stakes matches. Once done, review 1 loss per play session and extract 3 decision errors to avoid next time. This closes the feedback loop. Make sure to control your cueing. Stick to a consistent duo partner or solo only so synergy and variance become predictable. This targeted repetition converts small gains into sustained MMR progress. You finish by solidifying changes and preparing for setbacks. Track progress weekly, MMR, KDA, and error rate to confirm what actually improves. Once you have data, adjust the plan by swapping drills every 2 weeks or refocusing on the weakest decision areas so practice stays effective. If results stall or you feel tilt, step away for 24 to 48 hours to reset. This prevents emotional losses from compounding. If nothing helps, share a clip with a coach or trusted peer for an outside fix. Often they see what you miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.